Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Tuesday, May 13th. A record day in stocks yesterday, record closes in the S&P and in the Dow. The S&P was up 19.5 points yesterday, 1893. The Dow added 125 to 16,655 in the futures. The Nasdaq was the leader of the day, but still has a ways to go to get to their 12-year highs anyways. Up 1.5%, up 60 points at 3608. Largely been trading between 3,600 and 3,400, so that targets a 200-point move on this breakout, up to 3,800 from a technical standpoint, another 5% higher. Dollar index holding at firmness at 79.97 yesterday. That had the euro currency below 138 again, 137.54. After the tough talk last week from Europe, we've seen the currencies reverse course after making some new, let's say new six-month lows in the dollar, came right back to that 80 level. Looking at bonds, down 13, 135.11. Crude oil had only a $1 range between the high and the low. It did finish up 60 cents at $100.60 per barrel. Gold bounced back a little bit after some selling, some weakness last week, up $8 at $12.96, right below that $1,300 threshold that we've been watching. Stuck in a range between $13.20 and $12.80 here for the last couple of weeks anyways. So after the record day yesterday, where did the market stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, right now we're positive. We're up 2 3/4 points in the E-mini S&P, 1895.5, new highs again. And we're up 25 in the Dow futures, 16,681. The Nasdaq's up 7 at 3615. Currencies, we're getting a little bit more firmness. We're back above 80 in the dollar index, 80.12. 80.29 has been the high so far this morning. The euro currency down 36 at 137.18. And the bond market is up 4 ticks right now. At 135.15, up 4. The yield right now is at 3.48%, 2.64% on the 10-year note. And looking at crude oil's up another 70 cents, breaking out of that range from yesterday. 101.30 is where we stand right now. Lastly, finish up with gold, firmer dollar, you got it. Gold's down $4, $12.92, but not moving a whole lot in reaction to what's happening with the currencies. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, we're firmer once again in the stock market, up 2 3/4 in the E-mini S&P and up 25 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.